Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's update our view on the cryptocurrency market. Here is some things to discuss since our last update on Thursday. And we start from the weekly chart. Here you could see a very interesting pattern. Actually has been formed last week. And this is a bullish grabber. If we take into consideration only technical picture, this grabber stands in favor of the Napoli double repo sell pattern, because this pattern suggests taking out of this top. And invalidation point of this pattern right at the lows of this previous week is around 91.60 approximately. So currently, in the current situation, it is very difficult to understand actually and suggest what particular driver could push Bitcoin to the new highs right at this point. Hardly it will be the moment of the Donald Trump inauguration, so something else should happen for that. But fundamental background shows that United States currently liquidity is narrowing. Why? Because the new legal act on increasing of the debt sale hasn't been taken yet. So it will happen probably already after 20th of January. And Fed Reserve has to spend its reserves on a cash account. Not the Fed, the United States Treasury has to spend their reserve on their account on the Fed. Which, well, this narrowing of the liquidity, it will be a negative moment for Bitcoin. And it could continue some pullback, some retracement until this situation will be resolved. Taking it all together, the logical conclusion is that theoretically this grabber should fail. So market just should keep dropping lower and just erase this pattern. But the problem is that you do not know it's for sure. And every time when you will take a look at the weekly chart, it will show you this risk factor that exists with this grabber. What we could do in the current circumstances. First of all, if you have opposite view on the current situation and you would like to take the long position, I don't know, maybe you will be right. Maybe something will happen. Of course, you could use this grabber and go against our pattern that we have, against that scenario that we are considering right now with the hand shoulders on the daily chart and so on. I'm making the bet on a possible sharp reversal and action back to the top around 108 area. In this case, you have to place stop somewhere below its lows. So this is for those who are follower of opposite scenario, opposite look for the Bitcoin market. For those who are still trading short, here's not many things that you could do, because if you take a look at the daily chart, we already have got starting point of the right arm. It's a great position for taking short position, which is now it's in safe. And on Thursday we said keep an eye on the pullback. We do not consider big pullback, because this is already the some extension of the hand and shoulders where bears totally control the situation. Major retracement already was with the shoulder. This minor reaction on some support area, it should not be too extended. And this retracement is also mostly done. Target of this pattern is 85.50. So if you take a look at the hourly chart, here's actually a 2-hour chart how it has happened. So we suggested this ABCD from this point when it was marketed at this level, but it has started slightly lower, and precisely the 30% retracement has been done, 25.60. Now is market turning down once again. So if you'd like to take the short position, currently both positions right now in safe. So on both positions you could move stops to the break-even. You could probably trying to jump in running train already, but you will have to place stop above this area. And this will be potential risk for you if weekly grabber still starts working, We do not know what will happen, what maybe somebody will tell something, or some legal act will be taken on the Bitcoin, or some statement from the government authorities will be concerning the cryptocurrency regulation. Anything could happen, actually. So this grabber represents some risk, and that's the potential risk will be. If you're ready for that, well, you theoretically could try. If not ready, then it will be better to wait and see what will happen. Once market will drop below this area and erase the grabber, you could return back to the idea of possibly taking short position on the Bitcoin. If grabber suddenly will work and market will jump, that's better for you. So you will be free from any loss and actually could consider any other trading setup in the market that will be at this moment. That and towards what we have. In the current situation, right at this moment, when we have bearish entries right here and right here, I do not see any things that we could do immediately. So we need just to watch for progress with this head and shoulders pattern. So all preparation already is done. So we're just watching for how it will turn. So watching for this particular target, 85.50. If something will go wrong, market will start reversal. So we're just out on the break-even area, and maybe we'll start betting on the failure of this head and shoulders, which clearly will show that the grabber starts working on the weekly chart, and we should reverse the position. But for now, based on the fundamental background, it is not obvious conclusion, and we probably should wait with this, keeping the same direction that we now are following.